Hey there, this is Sean McMean from Vinnie Mac Restoration Marketing, and today we're going to talk about 5 easy ways to optimize your damage restoration website for more calls, more leads. Let's get started. I don't want to waste anybody's time here. Number 1, phone number at the top of the page, that top right corner on desktop, in the center or somewhere in the center of the page on mobile, or at the bottom on mobile. Why is that? As you scroll down the page on desktop or scroll down the page on mobile, you want them to have the easy way for them to contact you on the phone. That's number 1 tip. Number 2, contact forms. You have to have a contact form on your website. It has to be very present. It has to stand out. It can't just be hidden in the footer of their website. And do not ask 10,000 questions on that form. At the end of the day, you need to know what they need help with, what their name is, what their phone number is, and a quick message from them. Okay? And then you need to set up an automation so that when somebody clicks on that form and submits the form, you are getting a phone call to your office that says, John Smith needs help with water damage is in the home because his basement flooded. Press 1 to connect with John. And automatically, as soon as you press 1, it's calling out to John, and you say, hey, this is so-and-so, I can help you with your problem, right? That's number 2, contact forms with automation on your website. Number 3, photos of the business owner and of your team, of your trucks, what they look like. If you have your truck wrapped, you need to have photos. People like to do business with other local people, okay? Think about it. You like working with the other you like shopping at the small businesses around you. People like to know who they're doing business with, and you have to have your photo, you have to have your team out there, your family, it doesn't matter. Your family-owned business, present it as so. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4, 5-star reviews. You have to be getting reviews from Google, from Facebook, from Yelp. 5-star reviews are a critical leg that you have to have, okay? Just because you have a website or you're doing paid ads, that's like standing on one leg. You're gonna fall over if you start to run or you start to walk. You have to have reviews that talk about what other people say about your company, okay? So you can say till you're blue in the face that you do water damage restoration, but if other people don't back that up and give you reviews, then you're gonna fall down. You're gonna be walking on one leg and hobbling around all the place. Okay, number 5, and the final review is awards and certifications. If you're IIC certified, if you Better Business Bureau, if you have been in business for 25 years, if you have a guarantee, if you do 24/7, put those on your website. They will gain trust and build authority with a person that's potentially going to call you to fix their problem, fix their emergency. So those are 5 easy ways to optimize your damage restoration website for more leads. Talk with you soon.